Okay, I'm on Twitter. Now what? Well, these are the first 5 things that you should do once you join the Twitter. Number 1, complete your profile with a photo, a link, a bio, and a background. Now, the photo is an absolute must before you do anything else. And give people a nice line or two about you with the bio section. And give them a link to find out more. Now, if you don't have a blog or a website up and running yet, just link to your Facebook page or your LinkedIn profile. No big deal. Now, number 2, search Twitter to find interesting folks to follow in your niche, in what you're interested in. And Twitter search is useful, as are the list sites like wefollow.com, where you can follow the top folks in many categories and then follow the people that they interact with that seem interesting to you. Search using keywords to find Twitter people, or tweeps, with common interests in subject matter. Now, number 3, listen, learn, and then participate. Step 1 in any form of social media is the same as step 1 in any social anything. First, you listen for a little while so you figure out what's going on. And then you can actually participate in the conversation by adding some value. Learn the vernacular, take some time, figure it out. I first thought Twitter speak was awkward and juvenile. But the reality is, you have 140 characters to make your point. Using the abbreviations where appropriate makes perfect sense, and it shows that you're paying attention for real. Now, this doesn't mean that your language skills get traded for an emoticon dictionary, but just use a little bit until you discover what's comfortable for you, and then get in the game. Answer some questions, reply to some tweets, retweet what others have said, and when you find something of value, share it on. Number 4, learn the tools. Twitter as a social media platform is great. Twitter.com as an interactive website is less than perfect. And in fact, most people use their smartphones or a desktop application like TweetDeck because it just gives a little bit easier interface. So search around a little bit, learn how the machine itself works. And if you have a question about Twitter, search Twitter for the answer, or use Twitter to search. And of course, like most tech questions, there are 100 videos out there on YouTube that'll show you to do what you don't think you know how to do, and they'll show you how they do it so you can figure out how to do it too. Make sense? Number 5, get in the game. Twitter is a habit. Make it one of yours. Doesn't have to be a chore. It can be fun. The more you play, the better you get. Twitter can be used to build real relationships and engage people in real and genuine ways. You see, that's the social part of social media.